Welcome back to Bookkeeping Bestie, where we explain bookkeeping concepts in a way everyone can understand. Today's topic is recording fixed assets. Fixed assets are tangible or intangible items that are purchased for long-term use and are not likely to be converted quickly into cash, such as land, buildings, and equipment. First, determine the cost of the fixed asset, including any associated expenses such as delivery or installation charges. The cost should include all amounts incurred to bring the asset to its intended location and condition for use. In your bookkeeping software or chart of accounts, create an asset account specifically for the type of fixed asset you're acquiring. For example, if you're purchasing a vehicle, you might create an account called Vehicles or Automobiles. Create a journal entry to record the purchase of the fixed asset. Debit the asset account for the cost of the asset and credit the appropriate account, typically a liability or cash account, depending on how the asset is financed. If you paid in cash, credit the cash account. If you finance the asset, credit a liability account, such as notes payable. Include additional details in the journal entry to describe the fixed asset. This may include the asset's description, serial or identification number, acquisition date, and any other relevant information to make it easier to refer back to this transaction. Fixed assets generally have a useful life over which their value is depreciated. Consult with your accountant to determine the appropriate depreciation method and useful life for the asset. Create journal entries periodically to record depreciation expense, gradually reducing the value of the asset over its useful life. Please note, land is not a depreciable asset. Regularly review and update the fixed asset records in your bookkeeping system. This includes keeping track of any disposals, sales, or changes in the asset status. It's essential to maintain accurate and up-to-date records of your fixed assets to ensure your financial statements reflect their current value. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Bookkeeping Bestie for more bookkeeping content. Always consult with your accountant for specific guidance tailored to your business's unique needs and accounting practices. This video is not intended as financial advice.